Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to DOOGEE S96 Pro. Firstly, go into Play Store on both devices and tap on the search bar. Then type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. After that, open it. Click I accept, choose Confirm, Continue and Allow. After that, go into Receive on DOOGEE and Send on Nokia. Now tap on all of those dots and choose Send in order to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will click on this one photo, choose Send and tap Got it. From here you have two ways to connect. You can input this password over here and choose Receive or Scan QR code. In order to scan the code, tap on the scanning icon on DOOGEE, choose Allow and point your device's camera at the code. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred, but if you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into Files app, click Continue, choose Browse in the middle if it's not already on, and tap on, in my case, Images. As you can see, Send Anywhere section is here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!